This is Frankie McDowell, my own team station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major winter storm is headed towards Wisconsin on Tuesday, February 12, 2019. It's going to bring around 6 to 12 inches of snow, more especially in Green Bay, Wisconsin. It's going to bring lots of snow in Madison, Wisconsin, LaCrosse, Wisconsin, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's going to bring some strong winds. It's going to cause dangerous and treacherous drive conditions. It's going to bring a lot of snow in the state of Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Green Bay, Wisconsin, LaCrosse, Wisconsin, Superior, Wisconsin, and Madison, Wisconsin, and streets, roads, highways, and interstate highways will be so covered in the state of Wisconsin. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. That's going to cause blow and drift of snow in Wisconsin, especially in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Green Bay, Wisconsin. It's going to bring dangerous and treacherous drive conditions in the state of Wisconsin. It's going to bring blow and snow, drift of snow, reduced visibility, dangerous driving conditions. It's going to bring really bad driving conditions in Wisconsin. People, Wisconsin, be prepared. Have winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Doing grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Make sure if your Samsung Galaxy charged, Samsung Galaxy smartphone charged, Samsung Galaxy tablet charged, smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablets charging. Have your treats before you're ready. When you drive a car, take your time, drive your car, slow down, so you don't get into car accidents. When you go for a walk, be very careful walking so you don't slip and fall. Make sure if your furnace is ready, turn on your furnace to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep you warm as well. Make sure if your shovel, snow scoop, snow blowers, snow plows, salt trucks ready as well. If everybody living in Wisconsin, be prepared for a major winter storm on Tuesday, February 12, 2019. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major winter storm. Stay warm and be safe.